आप लोग आगे नो इजी बॉय स्लिप ये बख्तियार को उधर से बोलो इधर से।
अभी अभी तो ये लोग ना कैजुअल मूव कर रहे हैं।
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है।
तो अभी इनको न ले जाना।
अभी मत लीजिए, आपको मैं मतलब पार कर दिया।
पार कर गया ना, तो बहुत दूर ले जाने का जरूरत नहीं है। यहाँ से ये घुसे इस नाला को
बस 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 बस
कवर करते हुए बस खाली इधर
बस
निकल
बस 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 बस
समझे दिलीप, तो हट जाओ।
रुक जा, थोड़ा सा वहीं पर रुक जा, जो जहाँ
We are deep inside the Hesu forest of Jharkhand, and this is the area which is going to polls today. I have joined the Cobra company of CRPF, which is conducting a combing operation based on a real intelligence, and they have got the information about the Naxal hideout in the forest. There is a village down there, and this Cobra company is advancing towards that village to conduct the raid. This is the area which has to be dominated by CRPF before the poll happens, and this is very important for conducting the peaceful poll. These jawans of the Cobra company of CRPF, they basically are trying to dominate this forest area. There are many villages down here which are going to polls on the 25th of this month, and this Cobra company has got the assignment that they have to dominate these villages, because as per their intelligence, the Naxals, few of the Naxal hideouts, they have got the information about the Naxal hideouts out here, and these are the dense forest area. Remember, this is a hardcore Naxal bastion, and every month or 2 months there is one Naxal incident or the other. But because of the elections, the Cobra company is on high alert, the CRP is on high alert, the additional forces have been rushed in, and they are now trying to dominate this entire area for conducting peaceful elections this time.
नो पूरा कवर करेगा। बख्तियार का पार्टी का पूरा पूरा कवर कर बैटरी का डेढ़।
बल्कि इसको ये लोग ना, हमारा रेड हमने लगाया, ये ट्रांसपेरेंट कलर लगाएंगे जो कि नजर भी नहीं आए। ये देखिए, इसका मतलब आईडी यहाँ पर है। अब निकालने का तरीका मत शूट करिए, क्योंकि ये तरीका ट्रू है। यहाँ का जीआर कुछ भी दे दो, जीआर
एट रोमियो
दिलीप, और दूर जाके
So one success by the CRPF company, we were accompanying, and this sniffer dog, the Belgium Shepherd dog, the breed of the dog is Belgium Shepherd, and his name is MTech. He has just made a recovery of an ID, an explosive device which was buried on the road we were applying, and this sniffer dog actually sniffed that ID out, and now it has been kept for diffusing. This is the sniff. If I could just show you the ID, the kind of ID which are used by Naxals. So this is the ID which was actually buried out here, and you can see the red wire over here. So this ID has just been detected by the sniffer dog MTech, the Belgium Shepherd dog. This is a specially trained dog used by CRPF in the Naxal areas, and we are joined by the commandant of this unit, Mr. Pandey. Sir, ये बताइए कि इस तरह की आइडिया जिस रोड पे आप चल रहे हैं उसी रोड पे लगा हुआ है, अगर ये कुत्ता आपके साथ नहीं रहे तो बड़ा टफ मामला हो जाएगा।
निश्चित तौर पे इसको ढूंढ पाना बहुत मुश्किल था, क्योंकि हमारी DSMD चलती है, जो आपने देखा होगा, डीप सर्च माइन डिटेक्टर लेकर के लड़के चलते हैं। उसके बाद हम क्लैंप्स भी लेकर के चलते हैं, लेकिन कुत्ते की वजह से हमें ये चीज़ बहुत आसानी से पता चल जाती है।
मुझे बताया जा रहा था कि ये जो बेल्जियम शेपर्ड है, इस कुत्ते का ब्रीड है, और ये स्पेशली ट्रेंड है इसके लिए, और ये शायद सिविलियंस के पास ये ब्रीड नहीं मिलता।
नहीं, ये सिविलियंस के पास ये ब्रीड नहीं है, और अगर ये ब्रीड कहीं से उनके पास उपलब्ध भी हो तो उनके पास ये ट्रेनिंग नहीं है, क्योंकि इनको बच्चे से ही ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है हमारे ड्रग ट्रेनिंग स्कूल तरालू में।
So this is one success of the team we are accompanying in this dense forest of Jharkhand, and the search operation, the combing operation, the area domination operation will continue as we move, as we accompany the Cobra battalion of CRPF. In this area domination exercise of CRPF, we have reached one of the polling stations. This is a government school situated right in the middle of the forest, and this building will be used on the polling day for casting vote. So the CRPF battalions are approaching this building and they are trying to secure. This is a Naxal bastion. Remember, they don't know whether this entire building is safe or not. They don't know whether Naxals have already planted IEDs over there. So there is a drill before this polling station is taken over. Now that CRPF companies have reached here, they will secure this entire building. They will search this entire area, and then from today onwards, CRPF companies, CRPF Jawans will be stationed here till the polling day is over, till the voting process is over. So this exercise will be carried on all the polling stations situated in the Naxal infested area. So it's a huge exercise. Remember, there are hundreds of such buildings, and every building will be searched by the CRPF Jawans like this. You can see the sniffer dogs over there. They are sniffing for any of the IEDs which may have been planted by the Naxals over there, because Naxals very well know that this will be the polling station on the polling day. So this becomes a very easy target. They know that security forces will reach here, so they usually plant IEDs in and around the polling stations, and CRPF companies now have the mandate to secure this polling station for the polling day and prepare it for the polling day so that people can cast their votes.
तुम छोड़ दो अगले
We have reached the Jogi Tola village, which is situated in the forest of Jharkhand, where the CRPF Cobra Battalion was conducting a search. And this Jogi Tola village is the village where this unit is supposed to conduct the search operation. The villagers have now been asked to come out of their houses. They have all been asked to gather here, and these Jawans are moving to all the houses. All the houses you see over there, they have now all been emptied, and this entire area has been cordoned off. This entire area, the CRPF Jawans have cordoned off this entire area, and they had specific information about some Naxal hideout, though they have refused to divulge the name, but they had information about the Naxal hideout, and now they have taken position over here. This particular house is being searched by the CRPF Jawans. All the villagers have been asked to assemble in a field, and here the CRPF Jawans are trying to enter. This house we can see is still locked, and there's a lock over here. So the villagers have been asked to open the lock. They had information that some Naxal movement has happened here, and this particular village was the village which was named by their informers. They have just broken the lock, and they are trying to search this dark room, which is this particular hut. We don't know what is there inside, but we have been asked to keep a safe distance, because even the CRPF Jawans don't know what is there inside. Empty, as they say. So this is cleared, and you can see the Jawans have taken position all along the village. This entire village has been cordoned off by CRPF Jawans, and each and every house here will be searched. So this kind of exercise is going on throughout the forest area of Jharkhand. You can see there's another house being targeted by the CRPF Jawans, and they are trying to search this particular house. And this exercise is going on throughout the Jharkhand area, especially the Naxal infested area where the polling is to happen. And this is the way the CRPF secures the region and makes it ready for the poll day. Jogi Tola is the village where about which the CRPF had the intelligence input, and this is the village which was being targeted by the Cobra company of CRPF. We can see the company commander Mr. Pandey, and these are the villagers who have been asked to assemble here. He's talking to them. Sir, ये क्या चीज़ के लिए आप इनको देख रहे हैं? बहुत देर से मैं देख रहा हूँ आप इनको मोटिवेट करने की कुछ कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, एक्चुअली जब हम लोग गांव की मैपिंग करते रहते हैं, एरिया डोमिनेशन करते रहते हैं, गांव में सूचना के आधार पर हम लोग सर्च करते रहते हैं, तो सर्च के दौरान जो हमारी प्रक्रिया है कि हम पूरे गांव की घेराबंदी करने के बाद ग्रामीणों से अनुरोध करते हैं कि वो एक सुरक्षित जगह पे आ जाएं, जिससे घरों की तलाशी ली जा सके। तो जब ये एक जगह एकत्रित रहते हैं तो हम इनसे इनके दुख तकलीफ़ के बारे में, इनके निर्भीक होकर रहने के बारे में इनको प्रेरित करते हैं। और जैसे अभी चुनाव आ गया है तो हम इनको ये भी प्रेरित करते हैं कि लोकतंत्र के इस महाकुंभ में ये भी अपने अधिकार को समझें और उसमें मतदान करें।
ये
और निर्भीक होकर करें।
चुनाव है, इसी के चलते शायद हम लोग सब लोग भी यहाँ पे हैं, आप भी ये पूरा एक्सरसाइज करें। ये बताइए आप लोग वोट देंगे कि नहीं? वोट देते हैं आप लोग?
हाँ जी सर, देते हैं।
और बहुत जगह पर तो लोग मना किया है कि वोट नहीं देना है, नहीं देना है।
करना ही नहीं।
बोल
हाँ?
नक्सली लोग बोला है ना कि वोट नहीं देना है।
वोट देवे कि नहीं देवे पूछा था तो। वोट देवे।
वोट देंगे आप?
हाँ
हैं?
वहाँ
पर बहुत जगह पर नक्सली लोग मना किया है कि नहीं देना है।
नहीं नहीं।
मंगलवा बहादुर है, देगा ना।
मंगल वोट दोगे?
हाँ उमें
आप बताइए आप लोग वोट देंगे? बहुत जगह पे लोगों ने मना किया है, नक्सलियों ने, कि वोट नहीं देना। आप लोग देती हैं वोट?
उमें वोट
क्या?
उमें वोट
क्या जब फिर से बोलिए।
उमें अल्ले
क्या बोल रही है ये? मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ, क्या बोल रही हैं?
क्या बोलते हैं भैया?
उमें अल्ले
देगी।
अच्छा, देंगी। ओमी अल्ले, ओके। नहीं। तो ये these villages are being actually trying to the CRPF company, they are trying to motivate these villages to cast their votes, and while they are the officers over here are talking to these villagers, the Jawans have already started the combing operation, the search operation.
9 तक पढ़ी है।
अच्छे, ये सबसे पढ़ी लिखी लड़की है। अब बेटा तुम तो वोट देने के लायक नहीं होगा, तुम्हारा उम्र नहीं होगा,
हाँ नहीं हो,
बट तुम्हारे बाकी पापा मम्मी लोग जाके वोट देते हैं।
हाँ देते हैं।
हाँ, इसका उम्र तो नहीं होगा। क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
लक्ष्मणी।
तुम कहाँ तक पढ़ी हो?
10
पढ़ी हो? तो तुम्हारे गांव में तुम अकेली हो जो 10th पढ़ी हो?
और है
लेकिन वो फेल है, मतलब अभी अपीयर है, 10th में पढ़ रही है।
कितने लोग हैं इस गांव में जो 10th पढ़े हैं?
2 जन।
केवल 2 जन पढ़े हैं?
हाँ,
लड़की में? और लड़के में?
लड़का में
लड़के में कितने लोग हैं जो 10th तक पढ़े हैं?
2 जन।
2 जन पढ़े हैं।
हाँ
मतलब टोटल इस गांव में केवल 2 लोग हैं जो 10th तक पढ़े हैं।
हाँ।
So you can well imagine the literacy level of these villages. These villages actually are all the tribal dominated villages which are situated deep inside the forest of Jharkhand, and there are no commutable roads here. So there's no way you can actually reach here by your 4-wheeler. The only way you can reach here is either bicycle or motorcycle. So while we are talking to these villagers, while the senior officials of CRPF are talking to these villagers, trying to motivate them for casting their vote, for exercising their franchise, the Jawans have already started the combing and the search operation of all the houses which have been evacuated by these villagers. So let's join the Jawans and see how the search and the combing operation is being carried out over here.
ये माई रुक जाओ, कहाँ जाते हैं? इसको बुला लिया हाँ? बाजार में गाड़ी। बंद करो गाड़ी। लड़का कौन है बीच वाला?